Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you cloud and rainbow nails art step by step guide. Indeed of a smile, paint on this beautiful design for an even brighter day. Start step number 1. First of all, start by painting your nails with a light pink nail polish. Step number 2, apply a layer of rainbow glitter nail polish over the pink. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a blue nail polish, create a curved line at the bottom right corner of your nails. Step number 4, repeat the previous step using the rest of the colors of this rainbow like green, yellow, red. The red arc will be the largest. Step number 5, using a dotting tool and a white nail polish, make a few clusters of dots on every nail except the ring fingers. Sorry. These will create clouds. Step number 6, using the same method, create a few clouds at the base of the rainbow. You can make cloud and rainbow on your nails as you wish. In this New Year Eve or spring season, cloud and rainbow nail art design help to look beautiful and gorgeous. Let's talk to step number 7. Remove all the extra nail polish on your skins with nail remover. Step number 7. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go. Your beautiful cloud and rainbow nail art design is ready. If you have any query and any suggestion, please comment below. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.